I am very happy. This food is very tasty. I am very sad. I am very unhappy. I am very, 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 very. We often see the people are using the same repetitive words all over again. So how can we avoid using this word and use a more impressive word which can give you a better confidence and which can give you a better vocabulary and you sound more confident to the people whom you talk. So here we begin. Hi everyone, welcome to Dream to Learn English. I am Ravi. First word is very afraid. So we often says I am very afraid. So instead of saying I am afraid, we can say I am fearful. I am very angry. I am furious. Very annoying. The pronunciation for this word is exasperating. Very bad. I am awful. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Very big, massive. Very boring, dull. Very bright, luminous. Very busy. I am swamped. Swamped is a word. Yeah, in my previous video, I've also covered this word about being busy. So this is I am or very busy. That is swamped. Very calm, serene. Very careful, cautious. Very cheap, stingy. Very clean, spotless. Very clear, obvious. Very cold, freezing. Very colorful, vibrant. Very competitive, cutthroat. Very confused, perplexed. Very creative, innovative. Very crowded, bustling. Very cute. We often see the babies and we say he's very cute. So instead of saying very cute, we can say adorable. Very dangerous, perilous. Very dear, cherished. Very depressed. Very often use this word. Very depressed, despondent. Very detailed, meticulous. Very different, disparate. Very difficult, arduous. Very dirty, filthy. Very dry. Yeah, often in winters we have a dry skin, so we can say arid. Very dull, tedious. Very easy, effortless. Very empty, desolate. Very excited, thrilled. Very exciting, exhilarating. Yeah, it's a very new and trending word. We say exhilarating. Very expensive. We say costly. Very fancy, lavish. Very fast, swift. Very fat, obese. Very friendly, amicable. Very frightened, alarmed. Very threatening, terrifying. Very funny, hilarious. Very glad, overjoyed. Very good. Most of the time, I would say entire day, more than 10 times we usually say very good, very good, very good to the baby, to the kids, to everybody, even to the family members. So instead of saying very good, you can say excellence or excellent. Very great. This is again a very common word which we use. Terrific. Very happy, ecstatic. Very hard, difficult. Very hard to find, rare. Very high, soaring. Very hot, sweltering. Very huge, colossal. Very hungry, I'm starving. Very hurt, bittered. Very important, crucial. Very intelligent, brilliant. Very interesting, captivating. Very large, huge. Very lazy, indolent. Very little, tiny. Very long, extensive. Very long term, enduring. Very loose, slake. Very loud, thunderous. very mean, cruel, very messy, slovenly, very necessary, essential, very nervous, apprehensive, very nice, kind, very noisy, deafening, very often, frequently, very old, ancient, very old fashioned, archaic, very open, transparent, very painful, excruciating, excruciating. Another one, say this again, excruciating, very perfect, flawless, very poor, destitute, very powerful, compelling, very pretty, beautiful, very quick, rapid, very quiet, hushed, very rainy, pouring, very rich, wealthy, very sad, sorrowful, very scared, petrified. Say this again, petrified, very scary, chilling, very serious. This is again very common word which we have heard using people. I am very serious. When I'm talking to somebody, you can say I am very, very serious. But now here we are using a serious. Very serious can be used as grave, very sharp, keen, very shiny, gleaming, very short, brief, very shy, timid, very simple, basic, very skinny, skeleton, very slow, sluggish, very small, petite, very smart, intelligent, very smelly, pungent, very smooth, sleek, very soft, downy, very sorry, apologetic, very common, usually in official people use it, very special, exceptional, very strong, forceful, very stupid, idiotic. Yes, it's a very trendy word, idiotic. Very sure, certain, very sweet, thoughtful, very talented, gifted, very tall, towering, very tasty, delicious, very thirsty, purged, very tight, constricting, very tired, exhausted, very ugly, hideous, very unhappy, miserable, very upset, distraught, very warm, hot, very weak, frail, very well to do, wealthy, very wet, soaked, very wide, expensive, very willing, eager, very windy, blustery, very wise, sage, very worried, distressed. So, with this, we have completed our more than 100 words which we often use in our day to day life. Instead of saying very, you can use another word. And there is a quick quiz. You can look at it and see, do you still get it or not? And just answer them into the comments below. I would love to see how many people have understood it and will be able to answer the questions. So thank you so much all of you for watching this video. I will keep sharing you some of the more important videos going forward. Thank you so much.